In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form on Brevo. Start by opening your browser and heading to Brevo's login page. When you get there, choose Sign in with Google to streamline access. Select your Google account to continue and you'll be taken into your Brevo dashboard. Once inside, go to the Marketing section. From there, open Forms to manage everything related to sign-ups. Click Create Sign-up Form to start a new form. Give your form a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later, then confirm by selecting Create Form. You'll land in the Build area, which is where you structure the form. Here you can add and arrange blocks, choose the fields you want, and adjust data privacy and security. Make sure the email field is included since it's essential for a sign-up. If you collect names or other details, keep it minimal to improve conversion. Under Privacy, consider adding a consent checkbox and a brief statement that explains how you'll use subscriber data, keeping your form compliant and transparent. Next, switch to Form Design. This is where you style the form's title, text, and optional image. Align the colors and fonts with your brand and write a clear call to action on the button so visitors know exactly what happens when they submit. Keep spacing generous and the layout simple so it's easy to read on both desktop and mobile. When your design looks good, click Next. Now choose where new contacts will be stored by selecting a list. Check the box next to the list you want to use and proceed by clicking Next again. In the confirmation settings, decide how subscribers will confirm their sign-up. Select Simple Confirmation Email to keep it straightforward. Pick a template, and for a quick start, choose the default template. Simple confirmation. Click Next to continue. Customize the confirmation message so it sounds on brand and clearly tells subscribers to check their inbox and confirm. Short and friendly works best. When that's set, click Next. In the Share section, you'll see multiple ways to publish your form. You can copy a direct link to share on social or email, or grab the HTML or iframe code to embed the form directly on your website. Choose the method that fits your setup and make sure to preview the form after embedding to confirm everything looks right and submits properly. When you're done, click Done to finish. Your Brevo sign-up form is now created and ready to capture subscribers.